Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is positive action. A lot of things are going on in your world. It feels like a wildfire. I need you to control your emotions. I need you to control your strength. I need you to control your power, and make sure that you're building on the foundations that you started working on. Take no days off. Work in a positive mind frame. Do not be your biggest worst enemy, throwing stones at your own glass house. I need you to making a brick house that nothing and no one can say anything that can stop your progress. I focus on the beauty within me, and I honor and find silence. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now, and what I cannot change, I let go and trust to God. Make sure that you make positive action today. If what you planned for today does not work today, maybe it'll work tomorrow, maybe it'll work next week, maybe it works next month. Fine, put it to the side and make sure that you make small steps in progress every single day in a positive way, building your foundations. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.